All right, family. Let's get ready to put these front and back cover plates on, the timing cover and the rear cover. We put new seals in both. We did that off camera. I mean, it ain't that hard to do. Plenty of videos on showing how to do it. All right, we're going to do the back one first. And I don't have nobody to help me record today, so I'm going to see if I can just do it with one hand, but more than likely, I'm going to just bring y'all back, all right? All right, let me start it. All right, family, let's go over the parts we'll be using in today's video. I got this here rear gasket from Brian Tooley Racing. It came from Simon, but it's a Brian Tooley Racing rear gasket. And this front timing chain cover gasket and seal, I got this out of a Fairpro kit. I got it from Simon Racing, and this kit comes with this gasket. It comes with the gasket that goes behind here. It came with the water pump gaskets and stuff. And I'll leave the parts number for that in the description. But we're gonna go ahead and get these plates put on right quick. All right, I'm bringing y'all right back. All right, as y'all can see, I got that thing on there. I got the gasket behind it. And right now, all I'm doing is just starting all my bolts. Just going down, starting all the bolts. I can start. Yes, sir. Can I focus down there? There we go. That's all I'm doing. I'm just going back, putting all the bolts in it. Get them started. And I'll line this up in a minute. See, I got my bolts down there painted up, looking real nice like and stuff like that. So yeah, let me finish screwing these in. I'm gonna bring y'all right back. All right, family, as y'all can see, we got this plate pushed back. This plate pushed back. See how smooth that is across the gap? See how smooth that is across the gap? It's flush. I don't want to feel no lip. This one actually come up just a little bit. All right, we got that rear cover on. Like I said, it's not tightened down. It's just really hand tight. But, hold on, I'm sorry about that. Let me see. But, that's about as smooth as you gonna get it, to be honest with you. And that one is too. So we'll go ahead and work on the front. Then we'll finish torquing these down to whatever torque they're supposed to be at. But I'm not gonna torque these down until after I put the oil pan on. I'm gonna get them snug, but I wanna torque them and pull them to that oil pan first. And then snug it on, tighten them on down. All right, so let's go on and get the front out of the way. Cool. Snug them down a little bit, but not tight. Remember, I'm putting my oil pan on before I tighten this up. It still should be able to move just a little bit. All right, y'all, we got the front cover on. We just got it snug by hand. I'm not gonna tighten them all down till I get the oil pan on. When I tighten the oil pan down, it's gonna pull all that shit tight. So pull that tight, then I'm gonna go back and tighten out the bottom. But let me wipe off these edges right here. Then we get ready to put the oil pan on, y'all. All right, y'all, I got my RTV right here. And what I'm gonna do with this RTV, I'm just gonna put some, this is RTV, I'm just gonna put some on the right on these. Where these things line up there, right? Right, just a little dab, right? No, man. Just a little dab. Make sure it's all flush and even. It is. Y'all see it? This song right there, while all these plates meet up there. They don't take a lot, just take a little bit. Alright? Bring y'all right back. Let me grab that oil pan. I got the right down from the grab. Alright, let's take this gasket. We got our gasket right here. Let's take our gasket. Lay it down on here. Real smooth like. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it line up good. Make sure it line up good. Alright, we got our gasket on now. Let me get my oil pan. This is my dipstick. My dipstick and my tool right here. Let me just set that to the side. I don't know what this is. So my daughter put it here. I'm not sure what that is. Alright, we got our boats and stuff right here. That's our boats. Count with boats. And of course we got the oil pan. Alright, hold on, y'all. I gotta take this thing out. But y'all see it came with the filter, it came with everything. Hold on, let me set this on here and bring y'all back. Set this thing down right quick. Yeah, let's see what we got from now. Yeah, all right, family. We set the oil pan on there, as y'all can see. Let's get these bolts out. Let's drop these bolts in there. Alright, let's get the torque wrench. Alright, y'all, I'm finna torque these down. For these particular bolts right here, it's calling for 18 foot-pounds. Then these two up here that goes into the rear cover, it calls for 8 foot-pounds. And I'm just going in the cross pattern. You know, I'm just going boom, 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 boom. You know, cross pattern. Y'all know what cross pattern is. I ain't got to explain that to y'all. So I'm gonna start with my first. I'm gonna say these two for last. I want to get this as flush on here as possible. Don't leave that alone, cause I know me. I'll break the shit out of that, my boy. Alright, let's go back and torque these back down. Then we'll torque the back down, then our plates is on. I'm gonna bring y'all right back. Alright, family, I looked up the torque specs for these bolts. It say 106 inch-pounds, which is roughly around 8.3 foot-pounds. So we're gonna just hand tighten that shit, bro. Got my little 10, I got my little ratchet. Now let's see. We're gonna do what it's gonna do. Oh well, they do work. Alright, cool. The rear cover is the same, so we're gonna go back and do that one. Yeah, that motherfucker wasn't even that tight. Alright, now we gotta go back and do the same with the rear cover, but technically that should be it, my boy. That's me how I know. Alright, well this is pretty much torqued down. That's what we're gonna start this video at. We like to appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for hating on the video. Thank you for sharing the video. Just thank you in general. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. This A.C.C. signing out. A.C.C.